Now we are having a question in that particular question. He is saying force, acceleration and time are the fundamental quantities, and by using these fundamental quantities when we define energy, so energy is said equal to, right, energy is equal to F A T raised to x by 3, and he is asking us to find value of x. Value of x is what? This is to be found finally. Okay, so for that we have to do something more. Now in dimensions, energy is equivalent to work done, right? Work done and energy have same dimensions. And now when we define work done, this is a force multiplied by displacement. Force multiplied by displacement, right? Now I have to observe something. Force is said fundamental in the given system of unit, but not displacement. Here we are having two more things, that is acceleration and time, but here is displacement. Now I have to convert this displacement in terms of A and T, acceleration and time. For that, what I use, you have to define acceleration first. So acceleration is defined as velocity, right? Divide by time in dimensions, and velocity is not in this given term. That means velocity is not the fundamental quantity. So 1 divided by time multiplied by what actually this velocity is? Velocity is displacement divided by time. This is velocity, right? So when I define displacement from this, displacement is equal to, on making cross multiplication, in denominator we are having time here and time here. So the multiplication of time is time square, right? Acceleration multiplied by square of the time, that will give displacement, right? So in place of this displacement, I simply use these things, right? Acceleration multiplied by square of the time should be used here. So then what happens to this work done? This work done is equal to, right? Work done is equal to, I am keeping that force as it is, multiplied by displacement is acceleration multiplied by time square, right? Time square. So now I simply use all the notations as he used in saying the dimensions of energy, right? So work done, dimensions of work done is equal to the dimensions of these things. The force is F, acceleration is A, and time is T, should be squared as he said, right? So now dimensions of energy is this one and the dimensions of work done is this one, right? What actually I said? Dimensions of energy and dimensions of work done are equivalent, are one and the same. So now when I equate the dimensions of energy with the work done, then I can compare this one as well as this one, right? So F A T x by 3 here, and on this side we are having F A T 2, right? So F is as it is F, A again as it is, but T here is having power x by 3 and here it is having only 2. That means what? X by 3 is definitely equal to 2, and when you make the cross multiplication, this becomes 6, right?